escalator in this shrine, which is fine. I don't have wearing any shoes, so apparently my trousers were too tight, so I am wearing a sarong. Country is a little bit extra. Plastered head to toe in gold leaf. This feeling is amazing. I'm going to find a bit modern and put LEDs in. Currently looking for Wednesday corner because that's my corner. Disco recliner. And then there's lots of
it's not Disco Inferno, but it will have to do.
Disco recliner. Wow, look at the size of him. There's a big one. The Shwedagon Pagoda stands at 112 metres and is covered in genuine gold plates. The crown is tipped with 5,448 diamonds and rubies, while the very top is tipped with a 76-carat diamond. We obviously came the back way. The back way. The eyes are made of glass. They take 3 months each to make, and they were made at the Nagar glass factory, which we went to last week. It's enormous. Some people for scale. Enormous. Giant feet. So it's our last night in Yangon, and we're in Harry's bar, and my sister thinks I'm taking a video of her face, which I'm not. So she's pulling faces behind the phone. Sarah. Woo! Finally there. This is us, isn't it? The windows in Qatar Airways airport, they're really disgusting. That's flight number 7. Oh yeah.